We got a 4Runner in here today, and we're going to show you a couple ways to improve the looks and the performance of your 4Runner. It starts right up here in the front. And yes, cutting is going to be involved. But I feel like if you guys are into overlanding, you're going to be doing things that make you uncomfortable. But fortunate for you, it's not without reason. And here's the reason. And the biggest advantage to a bumper is the winch. This will save you out on the trails. All right, along with our nice winch mounting on this CBI covert bumper, we have room for a single row 30-inch light bar. We have nice recovery points, and we have all steel construction for durability. And really important, we're mounted directly to the frame. As a bonus, it's made in America. Covert's installed on the 4Runner. It's enough to turn some heads, but we're gonna take it up one more notch.
Oh!
And we're doing that with the Prinsu Pro Rack. All right, the best thing about having a modular rack is you can find a way to mount just about anything to it, unlike our rack right here. The Prinsu Pro Rack has a nice flat surface with lots of drop-ins and slots. This allows us to mount lots of storage containers, rotopacks, max tracks, or anything else you can think of, and in any configuration you can think of. So next time you're shopping for a rack, make sure that yours has drop-in points. It'll save you a lot of headache, and that's why on ours, we put drop-in points right in the middle. So if you have accessories blocking your drop-in points on your side, you can still get easy access to mounting things. As we promised before, we were going to improve your looks and your performance of your vehicle, and we think we delivered on this 4Runner. With this covert bumper, we have a nice winch and an area for a light bar. On our roof rack, we have a lot of options for additional lighting and accessories. If you like this content, remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll catch you on the trails.